92-year-old Zhang Zongcheng is a Chinese People's Volunteers veteran who fought in the war to resist U.S. aggression and aid Korea.
51年，我是新兵嘛，我是63军182团3营8连。
During the 2 years in the war, Zhang fought in several major battles. In a battle when his squad made an ambush against the enemy, Zhang kept urging the squad leader to launch an attack.
我跟班长说：“我班长，这儿很近，咱做个活吧。突击想死啊，听我口令，我喊冲击前进，喊到我那儿来了，我也扶的刚就爬上去，结果呢，当时呢这个脚晃一下呀，我也不晓得什么子，好到了后骨头，就在防爆中一坐起了以后啊，我才这个叫把我的脚拿起一看，那个包皮捅了这哈，结果就正好斜转个眼，没到这时候啊，当然好。
But later, the news from the battlefield gave Zhang chills.
当时又骂起来，那个班长就说：“老张，你说是要去做活的，当时那个敌人的炮啊，我们没到死的那些人，他都打成刷花了，打成肉酱酱了。”
The experience made him realize how cruel the war was, and he started to learn to fight wisely. Every time Zhang recalled these memories, he couldn't help feeling sad about his fallen comrades who fought side by side with him. He said he will always remember them.